Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Here is a more detailed breakdown of the home service tips. Detailed home service tips for Chennai property owners. 1. Monsoon-proof your property. A. Roof and gutters. Before the rains begin, hire a professional to inspect the entire roof for broken tiles or cracks. Clear all leaves, twigs, and debris from gutters and downspouts to prevent blockages. B. Walls and windows. Apply waterproof paint or a chemical coating on exterior walls to prevent water seepage. Seal gaps around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulk to keep drafts and rain out. 2. Regular electrical audits. A. Professional inspection. The humid climate can cause corrosion. Get a licensed electrician to check your home's wiring, switchboards, and outlets every 2 to 3 years. B. Safety first. Avoid overloading circuits by plugging too many devices into one outlet. Immediately replace any damaged or frayed electrical cords to prevent fire hazards. 3. Prioritize pest control. A. Preventative measures. Regular pest control services are crucial. Focus on termite treatments, as they can cause significant structural damage. B. Mosquito control. With the monsoon season, a professional can treat common breeding grounds to reduce the risk of mosquitoes and other insects. 4. Air conditioner, AC, maintenance. A. Monthly cleaning. Clean the AC filters every month yourself to ensure good airflow and efficiency. B. Annual servicing. Before the summer starts, schedule a professional to check refrigerant levels, clean the coils, and inspect all components. This prevents breakdowns and reduces energy costs. 5. Plumbing and water tank hygiene. A. Tank cleaning. Clean your overhead and underground water tanks at least once a year to maintain water quality and prevent the growth of algae or bacteria. B. Check for leaks. Regularly check pipes under sinks and around toilets for leaks or drips. Fixing these early saves water and prevents dampness. 6. Deep cleaning services. A. Kitchen and bathroom. These are high-traffic areas that require deep cleaning. A professional service can clean appliances, degrease stovetops and exhaust fans, and sanitize bathroom tiles and fixtures. B. General cleaning. Professional cleaners can handle tasks like cleaning windows, dusting hard-to-reach areas, and cleaning upholstery and carpets, which may not be part of a regular cleaning routine. 7. Choose the right paint and finish. A. Exterior. Opt for high-quality, weather-resistant exterior paints that can withstand Chennai's harsh climate. B. Interior. Use antifungal or waterproof paints in high-moisture areas like bathrooms and kitchens to prevent mold and mildew growth. 8. Appliance servicing. A. Manufacturer guidelines. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for all major appliances. B. Common checks. Clean refrigerator coils every 6 months and descale water purifiers and washing machines regularly to keep them running smoothly and extend their lifespan. 9. Landscaping and garden care. A. Tree trimming. Trim overgrown branches and trees that are close to your house to prevent them from causing roof or wall damage during storms. B. Drainage. Ensure your garden's drainage system is effective to prevent waterlogging during the rains, which can attract pests and damage your foundation. 10. Use professional and verified services. A. Due diligence. Always choose a service provider with a good reputation. Check their background, read online reviews on platforms like Google, and ask for a detailed estimate before committing to any work. B. Written agreement. For major jobs, get a written agreement that outlines the scope of work, timeline, and cost to avoid any misunderstandings. Visit www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. Contact 9840336999.